Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you a complete review of Typora. Typora offers a clean and distraction-free writing experience. Instead of showing separate editing and preview windows, it displays your formatted document as you type. Markdown symbols like headings, bold text, and lists are instantly converted into styled content, making writing feel smooth while still keeping your files in portable Markdown format. Another major strength is its export support. You can quickly export your work to PDF, Word, HTML, and EPUB. PDF exports even include bookmarks, making Typora a great option for reports, documentation, and ebooks. For technical users, Typora includes built-in support for MathJax, so you can write LaTeX equations without extra setup. It also supports mermaid diagrams and syntax-highlighted code blocks, making it a solid choice for developers, students, and technical writers. Customization is another advantage. You can apply custom CSS themes to change fonts, colors, spacing, and the overall appearance to match your personal style. There are a few limitations to keep in mind. Typora is not a note-taking database like Obsidian or Notion, so it does not include backlinks, tags, or knowledge graph features. It also does not have built-in cloud sync, meaning you will need services like Dropbox, OneDrive, or iCloud to keep files synced across devices. It also does not support a large plugin ecosystem. Typora is available for a one-time payment of $14.99, and the license can be used on up to 3 devices. Thanks for watching.